Hello, everyone. Aricia here. I hope you enjoyed your Conference on the Move experience and had a great time at the evening social events. Now it's time to rest up and recharge for the final day of the conference tomorrow. To wrap things up for us, Lausanne Africa from the University of the Western Cape will share insights about some of the historical and cultural highlights of this beautiful city. Get ready to learn more about the rich heritage and vibrant culture that Cape Town has to offer. See you bright and early for our final day of Ubuntu 2024.
As we enjoy this international conference, let's take a journey through District 6, Woodstock, and Observatory. These areas are rich in history and vibrant in culture, making them essential stops on any Cape Town tour. Let's start with District 6. This area, just a stone's throw away from the city centre, is a poignant symbol of Cape Town's tumultuous history. Originally a vibrant multicultural community, District 6 was a melting pot of different races, religions, and cultures. In the early 20th century, it was home to freed slaves, merchants, artisans, labourers, and immigrants. It was a place where diversity thrived and cultures blended harmoniously. However, this harmony was shattered in 1966 when the apartheid government declared District 6 a whites-only zone. Over 60,000 residents were forcibly removed and relocated to a barren, outlying area known as the Cape Flats. Their homes were bulldozed and the community was torn apart. The District 6 Museum, located in the heart of what remains of the original District 6, stands today as a testament to this dark chapter in South Africa's history. It serves as a reminder of the resilience of its people and the importance of preserving our shared heritage. Moving on from District 6, let's head over to Woodstock. This eclectic suburb is one of Cape Town's oldest and most culturally diverse areas. Known for its Victorian-era buildings, Woodstock is a fascinating blend of the old and the new. The suburb has undergone significant gentrification over the past decade, transforming from a rundown area into a hub of creativity and innovation. As you walk through Woodstock, you'll notice the streets adorned with vibrant street art. This is no coincidence. The suburb is renowned for its street art scene, with murals painted by both local and international artists. These works of art not only add color to the neighborhood, but also tell stories of the community's past and present. Don't miss the Woodstock Exchange. In a converted warehouse that now houses shops, studios, and eateries. It's a perfect example of how old spaces can be revitalized into contemporary cultural hotspots. A must-visit in Woodstock is the Old Biscuit Mill, a former biscuit factory now transformed into a trendy market and creative space. It hosts the popular neighbor goods market every Saturday featuring local food, crafts, and design. There are guided street tours available that take visitors through the best murals and explain the stories behind the artwork. Now, let's head a bit further east to Observatory, affectionately known as OBS. This bohemian suburb is famed for its laid-back vibe and artistic flair. OBS is a favorite among students, artists, and free spirits, offering a vibrant nightlife and a plethora of quirky cafes and boutiques. But Observatory is not just about the artsy atmosphere. It's also home to the South African Astronomical Observatory, the National Centre for Optical and Infrared Astronomy in South Africa. Established in 1820, the observatory has played a pivotal role in the development of astronomy in the country. Today, it continues to be a leading research institution, making significant contributions to our understanding of the universe. As you explore OBS, you'll find it's a neighborhood that perfectly encapsulates Cape Town's spirit, diverse, dynamic, and deeply rooted in history. Whether you're stargazing at the observatory, sipping coffee at a local cafe, or simply soaking in the bohemian atmosphere, OBS is a unique slice of Cape Town's life. Have a nice evening.